If Bangalore city digs 1,000,000 wells and recharges every drop of rain that falls on the city itself, it will never run out of water. When we started to build our house in '94, we were buying water, but at the same time we saw that rainwater was flowing down the drains. So we began to harvest rainwater. Well, one of the first things we've done is to collect every drop of rainwater that falls on our house. We segregate that into different components. We collect water for drinking and cooking purpose exclusively. And then finally the overflow we put back to nature through a recharge well, which recharges about 1,000,000 liters in a year. We have a composting toilet, which uses very less water and converts human waste into fertilizer. In our house, through the water conservation measures, we use on an average 70 liters per capita per day. That is to say, we can halve the use which is recommended or is the standard. So we are net water positive.
In the recent past, I've been associated with rainwater harvesting in a very large scale. Last 24 years, before giving to public, all that I experimented here in my house, I've developed some techniques. One is to filter rainwater. It's called pop-up filter. This is basically a wall-mounted filter. The first 5 minutes of the rain it allows to go out for recharge, and afterwards it filters through a cartridge and the clean water gets stored in your tank. So you need to interconnect your existing downwater pipes on the wall, install a filter, divert this filtered water into your existing tank or a sump. The same thing I have translated into packages so people can practice. Catch the rain where it falls. Everyone can do it. It's the simplest and the easiest way to go close to nature and have a sustainable living.